So here we are at the wonderful Winslade Park, looking forward to Like Minds, which is happening on Friday, March the 25th, where we're going to see some truly inspirational speakers delivering keynotes, running workshops, and we're going to hear from Guy Rigby and David Murray, for example, who have just rowed the Atlantic and beaten the world record for the oldest pair to row any ocean. They're going to be in conversation with our wonderful MC, Chris Bentley, who's going to talk to them about the mental strength that's needed to achieve that kind of a feat, let alone the physical nature of undertaking such a journey.
Very much looking forward to it. And I think we've got a magnificent venue at Winslade Manor. The 14th incarnation, we know that Like Minds is without doubt the festival to be at if you're in the southwest of England. And we're looking forward to welcoming some magnificent guests, some great networking, some super inspirational speeches, and overall a magnificent day. Friday the 25th of March.
250, 300 entrepreneurs, business owners, not just from around the southwest, but from around the country. We've got a huge tribe coming up from London, and it's a brilliant opportunity to meet new people, create new business opportunities, get inspired, and let's all just work together and grow and scale out of this pandemic.